ready to pinpoint your sales hotspots and turn geographical data into actionable insights. First, launch Tableau and connect to your data source. For this example, we will use the sample Superstore dataset. Drag region from the data pane to the columns shelf. Next, drag sales from the data pane to the rows shelf. You'll now see a bar chart visualizing the total sales for each region. To enhance readability, drag region to the color shelf on the marks card. This assigns a unique color to each region. To create a map visualization, drag region to the details section on the marks card. Then navigate to the Show Me tab and select the map chart type. Tableau automatically generates a map, coloring each region based on its sales performance. Hover over each region to view the specific sales figures. Customize your chart's appearance by adjusting colors, adding labels, and formatting tooltips for a polished and insightful visualization. And there you have it, a powerful way to visualize total sales by region in Tableau, empowering you to drive strategic decision-making. Subscribe for more Tableau tips and tricks.